we will guide you through how to change white car color in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and begin by opening the photo or project that contains the white car you want to recolor. Once the image is ready, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, then use it to select the main body of the car. Look over the selection carefully, and if Photoshop missed any parts of the body, add those missing areas to the selection so the entire exterior you want to recolor is included. Next, remove the windows, tires, lights, and any other areas that should keep their original appearance, making sure the selection follows the car body as cleanly as possible. After the selection is ready, open the Layers panel so you can work with an adjustment layer without changing the original image directly. Click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, then select Hue/Saturation from the available adjustment options. In the Properties panel, enable the Colorize option so the adjustment applies a consistent color across the selected car body. Now move the Hue slider to choose the new color for the car, watching the image as you adjust it until you find the shade you want. Next, adjust the Saturation slider to control how strong or vivid that color appears, keeping it balanced so the result does not look overly bright or artificial. Then adjust the Lightness slider until the new color matches the lighting and shading of the original photo and looks as natural as possible, while still preserving the car's original highlights in darker areas. To compare your result with the original appearance, hide and unhide the adjustment layer using its visibility key, checking the before and after versions to make sure the color change looks right. Finally, save or export the edited image in the format and location you want, keeping the finished version ready for use.